Today I am going to take English 2, lesson number 2, subject and predicate. In the previous lesson we learned what is a sentence, right? So what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense, right? So every complete sentence contains two parts, that is subject and predicate. So what is a subject? See, subject is a person or a thing that we want to talk about in a sentence. It is always a noun or a pronoun. It may consist of one word or many words. So, a subject is a person or a thing that we want to talk about in a sentence. Okay? It can be a noun or a pronoun, and it may consist of one word or many words. Okay? This is subject. See example. Raju lives in America. This is subject. Okay. Next, we went to market yesterday. Here we is the subject. Next example, the book is in the bag. Here the book is the subject. See, Raju. Raju, name of a person, right? Noun. So this is subject. Next, we. We is a pronoun. So this is also a subject. See here, the book is in the bag. Here, the book is subject. It may contain one or many words. It may consist of one or many words. Subject. Okay? So this is subject. Next, you see, what is predicate? Predicate is what we say about the subject in a sentence. A predicate must have a verb. A predicate may consist of one word or many words. So, predicate is what we say about the subject in a sentence. Okay? And a predicate must have a verb. And it may consist of one word or many words. See? Raju lives in America. Where Raju lives? Lives in America. So, lives in America is predicate. And here what is the word? Lives. Next example, we went to market yesterday. Where did they go yesterday? We went to market yesterday. So, went to market yesterday is the predicate. And what is the verb here? Went. Next, the book is in the bag. Where is the book? Book is in the bag. Is in the bag is the predicate. And here is the helping verb. So, predicate tells something about the subject and it must have a verb. It may consist of one word or many words. So, usually subject comes before the predicate. Generally, subject comes before the predicate. But sometimes predicate comes before the subject. For example, here comes the bus. Here the subject is the bus. And here comes verb also here. Here comes is the predicate. Here the predicate comes in the beginning and subject at the end. Generally subject comes in the beginning, okay, before the predicate, but sometimes predicate also will come in the beginning, okay. Next one, exemption. A command is the only type of sentence that has no subject. The command has sometimes no subject. For example, get out of the class. If someone, the teacher says to someone, it's clear, right? You get out of the class. So, you is understood. It's implied there already. So, a command is the only type of sentence that has no subject. The subject, you, is implied. For example, read the newspaper. It's already understandable that you read the newspaper. Read the newspaper. That means what? You read the newspaper. So, the subject you is already implied. So, once again, what is a subject? Subject is a person or a thing that want to talk about in a sentence. It is always a noun or a pronoun and it may consist of one word or many words. Next, predicate. Predicate tells something about the subject, okay, and it must have a verb. A predicate may consist of one word or many words. An exception, a command is the only type of sentence that has no subject. The subject you is implied. So I hope you all understood this, children. Now we will move on to the TB exercises. So children, take out page number 55. Okay, before we start the TB exercises, I will read out the lesson. Every complete sentence contains two parts, a subject and a predicate. The subject is what or whom the sentence is about, while the predicate tells something about the subject. Read the following sentences. Here subject, predicate. The apples are sweet. The children are playing in the park. Dogs live in kennels. Mary is having her lunch. Swami and Jyoti are good friends. Here the apple subject, are sweet predicate. Are is the helping verb here. The children subject, are playing in the park. Are is the helping verb here and the playing is the verb. Dogs live in kennels. Dog subject and live is the verb here. Okay. Mary is having her lunch. Mary subject is having helping verbs. Swami and Jyoti subject are good friends, are helping verb. Okay. Usually the subject comes before the predicate. However, at times the predicate may come before the subject. Example, here comes the train. Here the train subject. Here comes is the predicate. There goes the school bus. Here there goes is the predicate and the school bus is the subject. Exception, a command is the only type of sentence that has no subject. The subject you is implied. Example, read the newspaper, walk the dog and get the milk. Subject, what is subject? A subject is a person or a thing that we want to talk about in a sentence. It is always a noun or a pronoun. It may consist of one word or many words. Predicate is what we say about the subject in a sentence. A predicate must have a verb. Okay? A predicate may consist of one word or many words. Now, first main, exercise first main, divide the following sentences into subject and predicate. One example is given, Rohan helped the blind man. Here, Rohan is the subject. Helped the blind man is the predicate. So, you have to write subject S and predicate P. Okay. Now, exercise number 1. An elephant is a large animal. Here, what is the subject? An elephant. Okay. So, you can draw a line, divide, and you can write yes. An elephant is the subject and is a large animal is predicate. Okay. You can underline also. Second, the lion pounced up the stag. Here, the lion is subject. You can divide lion. Pounced upon the stag is the predicate. You can underline. Third one, all the schools are closed today. The subject is all the schools. Write here and divide. Are closed today is the predicate. Okay. P write and you can underline. My father and mother are coming tomorrow. Subject, my father and mother. Divide here and write subject. Are coming tomorrow is the predicate. You can underline are coming tomorrow. Fifth one, this green pen belongs to me. And the subject is this green pen. You can divide till this green pen and write subject. Belongs to me is the predicate. Underline and write P. Next, monkeys are intelligent animals. Subject is monkeys. Divide monkeys and write subject. Are intelligent animals is the predicate. Underline are intelligent animals. Seventh one, the school team won the match. The subject is the school team. divide and write subject. 1 the match, underline and write P, predicate. Next, the dog barked at the stranger. Subject, the dog. Divide and write S. Barked at the stranger. Underline and write P. Next, an aeroplane flies in the sky. An aeroplane, subject. Flies in the sky is predicate. Underline flies in the sky. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Subject, breakfast. Draw a line, and is the first meal of the day is a predicate. Underline and write P. Okay. Next, match the following subjects with the predicates to form complete sentence. Here, given subject, and this column given predicate. You have to match. First one, the chemist. Which one here we have to match from the predicate? The chemist sells medicines. Okay, here you have to write 1. The chemist sells medicines. Okay. Next, number 2, good boys. Good boys never tell lies. This is number 2. Mark here number 2. Good boys never tell lies. Next, the glue stick wouldn't seal the envelope. Here it is the answer number 3 here. Okay. The glue stick wouldn't seal the envelope. Next, number 4. Our class, here first one, consists of 35 pupils. Number 4 here. Our class consists of 35 pupils. Mark here number 4. Next, the little black dog bit the poor beggar. Okay, mark here number 5. The little black dog bit the poor beggar. Next, Bengaluru. Bengaluru is a big city. Okay, mark here number 6. Bengaluru is a big city. Next, 7th one, my father, here last, reads the newspaper daily. Okay, mark here number 7. Okay. My father reads the newspaper daily. Next, 8th one, dogs are faithful animals. Dogs are faithful animals. Mark here number 8. Next, the garden is full of flowers. Here mark number 9. The garden is full of flowers. Mark number 9 here. Next, last one, information is easy to find on a computer. Here you mark number 10. Information is easy to find on a computer. Okay. So all of you mark these numbers without mistakes. Okay. Children, last May, complete the following sentences by adding a suitable subject consisting of one word or a group of words. Here, few sentences are given. Okay, we have to add a suitable subject. Okay. First one, dash were neatly dressed. So you can write any suitable subject. Okay, dash were neatly dressed. You can write the students. You have to write. You have to use plural. Okay, were. Okay, you cannot write singular subject. It should be in plural. The students were neatly dressed. Next, dash was answering my queries. answering my queries. Was singular, so the subject should be in singular. You can write any name subject. Raju was answering my queries. Okay. Next, third one. Dash is very calm today. Dash is very calm today. We can write the weather. The weather is very calm today. Next, fourth one. Dash was unable to cross the road. Fourth one, Dash was unable to cross the road. You can write any suitable subject. Okay, I am writing the old man. The old man was unable to cross the road. Okay, now last one. Dash took part in the competition. Dash took part in the competition. You can write any suitable subject, any name you can write. Okay, here I am writing Meena. So Meena took part in the competition. Once again I repeat. Complete the following sentences by adding a suitable subject consisting of one word or group of words. First one, Dash were neatly dressed. I have written the students were neatly dressed. Next, Dash was answering my queries. Written Raju was answering my queries. Next, the weather is very calm today. Next, the old man was unable to cross the road. Next, Meena took part in the competition. So all of you copy this in your textbook properly. The classroom notes will be sent through. Okay.